All right, you guys, we're going to be hearing a selection, One Pair of Hands, sung by Elvis Presley.
One pair of hands on the mountains, one pair of hands formed the sea, one pair of hands made the sun and the moon, every bird, every flower, every tree. One pair of hands on the valleys, the ocean, the rivers, and the sand. Those hands are so strong, so when life goes wrong, put your faith into one pair of hands. One pair of hands heal the sick, one pair of hands raise the dead, one pair of hands calm the raging storm, and thousands of people were fed. One pair of hands said, I love you, and those hands were nailed to a tree. Those hands are so strong, so when life goes wrong, put your faith into one pair of hands. Those hands are so strong, so when put your faith into one pair of hands. Put your faith into one pair of hands.
Elvis is iconic, transcended through time. Oh yes. Y'all want to hear more reactions on Elvis Presley? I love oh my God, I love Elvis Presley. Send me your reaction request and we will do those requests for you. Oh yeah, that was beautiful.